Hey! Today, we are talking about a powerful life hack, turning those lemons that life throws at us into sweet lemonade through the magic of setting intentions. Life is full of twists and turns, right? Sometimes, it feels like we are handed a basket of lemons. But guess what? It is not about the lemons, it is about what you do with them. Here is a small thing you can do today. Grab a pen and paper, and write down an intention to turn a current challenge into an opportunity. It is like giving life a recipe for the sweetest lemonade. When you set an intention, you are sending a clear message to the universe that you are ready to face challenges head-on and turn them into stepping stones to success. But here is the secret sauce. Join our Find My Intention workshop. We'll guide you on how setting intentions can be your secret weapon in overcoming obstacles and creating a life you love. Ready to transform challenges? Swipe up to join the workshop.